So several of us decided to put on a scything workshop with a demo of hand mowing with the straight-handled European scythe, and with tips on how to use the cut grass biomass. Locally roasted fresh-brewed coffee was on tap, and the sounds of live traditional music floated on the breeze.
And whatnot. You want to be in a nice posture. Sometimes you lean forward, sometimes it's going to change. It's not going to be perfect every time, especially when you start scything. And I tend, and it might just be because I use a ditch blade, but I tend towards more of a conservative stroke when I cut. Right? This is really, really soft grass. So see, I took a big, deep cut there. It's a little challenging not to dig super deep, right? So you're kind of just catching the tops of the stems here, right? This is pretty, it's thick and heavy. It's not tall, right? What I'm looking to do, right? Sometimes even this type of grass is really nice to cut, but sometimes it's really just taking small bites. And I think when you're first getting into this, that's the way to go.
So plants photosynthesize, meaning they take carbon dioxide out of the atmosphere, and in their bodies, with sunlight and water, they transform the carbon dioxide into sugar molecules, which are carbon-based molecules. A healthy plant can take its excess carbon and feed it directly into the soil, feeding soil microorganisms and producing more soil in the process, therefore storing carbon in the soil. So one of the most efficient and productive ways to address climate change is to maximize plant growth on the planet and be able to take that carbon out of the atmosphere and store it in a stable way in the soil. So producing soil biomass is one of the most productive ways to address climate change.